to another video here on Adventure Seeker, another travel vlog. The last one that you saw was the Great Yarmouth travel vlog, and this one, as you've seen from the title, is the Blackpool travel vlog. A few things that are different is this is day 2 out of 4. Day 2 out of 4 of my stay here in Blackpool, and I'm actually starting in the hotel room and not at my house compared to the last travel vlog that I did. So the next set of clips that you'll see, there's no train footage at all. It's just pure coach footage from Nottingham to Blackpool via Birmingham Digbeth coach station. So those are the next set of clips that you'll see, and after that I'll give you a room tour, and then after that I'll sit down again and go through what my plans are and what I've done while I've been here in Blackpool, with plenty of videos to come. Really happy so far with what I've got, even though you've not seen them yet. So yeah, enjoy the clips on the coach from Nottingham to Blackpool, and I'll give you a room tour of where I'm staying. Okay viewers, that was the travel footage from Nottingham to Blackpool via Digbeth. So this is a room tour of the Moray House in Blackpool. It's on the South Shore, right next door to Velvet Coaster and Pleasure Beach. Really recommend staying here. I'll give you a price comparison of everything afterwards. Yeah, so another hotel room tour. Starting off with your standard procedures, fire safety, very, very, very important. Notice, no smoking. It's the standard common sense, isn't it? A mirror. Your kettle down there. Assortments of coffee and tea. Mug. Remote for the television. I nearly lost my words there. Speaking of the television, it's up there on the wall. I don't really watch TV much unless it's YouTube. So this is a standard single room, and like I said, I've been here for 2 nights now, and the bed's actually really, really comfy, to be honest. Probably the 2 best night's sleeps I've had in a very, very long time. Been out today to a number of attractions. Videos coming soon, so I'm taking over the place, really. Standard sink in your room. Again, I think I've taken over everything I have in the bedroom. Another mirror. I've not got a TARDIS toilet this time. Just happened to the toilet. I don't know why I forgot to open them today. You don't want to see inside the toilet bowl, and a really, really good shower, to be honest. Whoa, swing them doors. Compared to the one that I had in Yarmouth, it's a huge, huge step up. Although. Remember the view that I got at Yarmouth? This one is just better in so many ways. So many ways. Oh yeah. Oh wait. Yeah, that's a fantastic view. So yeah, that's spin it around. It's not bad really. I keep saying on these videos that it literally is just a bed for your holiday, and if you're a solo traveler, then need I say no more? Need I say no more? Oh, and you've got some awesome frames around, around the wall. Got to mention that's a slidey door, and there's no damage deposit this time, which is really, really good. So yeah, this is the standard single room at the Moray House, Blackpool South Shore. Okay, viewers, I've just spun the camera back around, and I'm going to give you a little price breakdown. So for 4-night stay at Moray House Hotel, £77, which is an absolute bargain for a number of reasons. The staff are really, really friendly. They go out of their way to make sure you have a really great stay. You can ask them to do your washing, you can ask for extra amenities, will make you feel really, really, really welcome, and I really do recommend staying here. And then the coach itself, from Nottingham to Blackpool, return, I think about £44. I won't include the train from Boston to Nottingham because there's no footage in that. So all in all, I can't do my quick maths, so you'll have to kind of work that one out. So things that you'll expect to see video wise, I've done a Pleasure Beach video Pleasure Beach Resort video. I was there yesterday for 8 hours and I got loads of rides in. I had 2 rides on the Grand National, the best wooden coaster in the country. Let's see how many comments I get for that. Multiple rides on Wallace and Gromit and the Pleasure Beach Express Avalanche. The second go towards the end of the day was really intense. I really enjoyed that. So yeah, I had a really good day at Pleasure Beach. Ran into Andy Highgate yesterday. We spoke about how much we're both looking forward to Invictus, the new Intermanjaro swing for 2026. So it was really good to talk to Andy and see Andy about that. And then today, which is Sunday, was it Monday? I lost the track of days. It's Monday. Today, I went to Pleasure Beach yesterday on the Sunday. Monday, I went to the Blackpool Tower, Madame Tussauds and Sea Life Centre. Both really free, solid attractions. At the tower, I went up 410 feet. And I'm not really good with heights, but I managed okay with getting high, climbing the steps, well, getting a lift and then up the steps at the Blackpool Tower. So that was really good. Then went on to the Sea Life Centre. Probably the best one I've done so far in the UK. Really good. Toward the end, off camera, I sat down and, guests had a talk on sharks, which was really good. So really recommend a visit there. Oh, and I thought I'd mention at the tower there's a bar when you get on the lift, and that's probably the highest drink I've ever had, and I did feel it because being that high up in the air. And then went to Madame Tussauds. Madame Tussauds was really good. Never been to a Madame Tussauds before, and obviously seeing the models, watching my friends' YouTube channels, it doesn't quite do it justice in person. Seeing the models up close, really good. And then tomorrow I am off to Blackpool Zoo and the Model Village, as well as I might do this tonight or tomorrow night before I go, is get footage from Central and South Pier, do the Crazy Coaster, might do the Ferris wheel, and then Wednesday I travel home, Friday I'm back at work. So between now and Friday I want to get all these videos together. I still haven't edited the Pleasurewood Hills video, but after you see, well, the plan is get home maybe Thursday. I'll do an actual in-depth review of my 2 trips, Yarmouth and Blackpool, and then try and space out the videos because I won't be able to record another video until October time. We've gone full time at work now, so that'll, take my main priority, and then October, see where that will take me. Although I think late September I'm going to Drayton Manor. I spoke to my good friend Dave about this. Yeah, I got the Roller Coaster Club of Great Britain event in late September at Drayton Manor, and then meeting up with him and my good friend Carolyn for Goose Fair. Still in talks about that one, so don't quote me at all. Don't quote me on that one. So Goose Fair and Drayton Manor, late September, early October. So I think I pretty much covered everything. Not as in depth, I know, as the previous one it did. I am currently still getting over a little bit of a chest infection, so I want to try and keep it as minimal as possible. But I hope you really enjoyed these 2 travel vlogs. and I really enjoyed doing them. I think this year has been the most I put all my effort into Venture Seeker, and long may it continue. Um, yeah, and you can hear a seagull there in the background. So the first night that I got here, it was late night riding, and I could hear the fireworks at the pleasure beach. And currently being so close, you can hear the pressure cylinder of launch pad, which is really good. You can hear the pleasure beach from here. So why not stay? There's a perfect excuse to stay at Maury House. See, it's coming there again. You probably can't hear it. And then around the corner is probably my favourite Wetherspoons in the UK, Velvet Coaster, simply because of the fantastic views. So, yeah, that brings us that brings us to the end of the travel vlog. So expect videos from Pleasure Beach Resort, Blackpool Tower, Madame Tussauds, Sea Life Centre, Piers, Central and South Pier, Zoo, Model Village, and this video as well. And then 2 reviews, me at home, going through each trip in depth, things I liked, things I may not have liked. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Your support is always much appreciated. My voice is going now. I'm not doing this take again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Your support is always much appreciated. And enjoy the Blackpool mini-series. Take care. Stay positive.